In front of me is a Qilive 5039D, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. So to begin, you want to power off your device, so hold the power key and select power off and wait for the device to shut off. Now once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. So power, volume up. And when you see the Qilive logo, you can let go. And from here, you get to choose the language. So you have a choice between English, Spanish, Dutch, French, Portuguese, not sure, and I guess Chinese, I think. So you select each one of them using volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm it. Now I'm gonna stick with English. So power key to confirm it, and we're now in the recovery mode. And from here, you use the same way of navigation, so volume keys and power key to confirm. And as you can see, you can reboot system. From here, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe data, wipe cache partitions, mount system, view logs, power off the device, and enable ADB, so just a way of connecting with the PC. Now, whatever you select, you then want to press power key to confirm it. So as an example, I'm just gonna go back to Android, so reboot system now would be the way to do it, and press power key to confirm it, and now I'm leaving the recovery mode. And as you can see, we're now back in the Android system. So that is how you would access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.